Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a BMW X3 key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. It's a straightforward DIY task that saves you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. The two halves should separate easily. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. It should click into place. Finally, reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, ensuring it's secure. Test your key fob to confirm it's working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and more. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.